Good morning and welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we have a hot and humid week in store for us with some fairly benign weather as far as any precipitation chances go as we look to remain dry as we go through the middle of the week. First chance of rain doesn't look like it'll arrive until late Thursday night into Friday. So, looking at just some partly sunny to mostly sunny sky conditions over the next few days with really very little chances in the way of precipitation. I want to look here at our current surface analysis, and you can see we have high pressure at the surface over the mid-Atlantic region, an area of low pressure off the southeast coast that will be slowly making its way towards the Carolina and Georgia coastline as we go into the nighttime hours tonight. Could actually see this named as a tropical system as it continues to slowly strengthen over the course of the next 12 to 24 hours, and could see that making landfall later on tonight into the early morning hours as a tropical storm. So certainly something to keep an eye out for down across the southeast coast as we go throughout the day today. But this will have very little impact on the mid-Atlantic region, as we will see all of this activity stay well to our south across the southeast coast. Looking at our current weather here as of 8 a.m., you can see just a little bit of cloudiness at around 900 feet, a few clouds at 25,000 feet with unrestricted visibilities. Winds fairly light right now as of 8 a.m., variable at 4 knots, temperature at 77 degrees, and our relative humidity at 94%. I want to take a look at our live cam here, looking off to the west here at Wallops Island. You can see a little bit of low cloudiness at that 900-foot level streaming across the area this morning. That will start to break up as we go throughout the next few hours, and we will see just mostly sunny conditions prevail throughout the next several hours as we go into the afternoon. Looking at our infrared satellite, you can see clear skies across the mid-Atlantic region. This is that spin here for the area of low pressure off the southeast coast. As you can see, most of that convection off to the west of that area of low pressure. You can see the center of circulation exposed with the convection off to the west of that circulation this morning. Again, could briefly develop into a tropical storm before making landfall later tonight across the South Carolina Georgia border. We'll look at our computer model simulation and what we can expect over the course of the next few days as we go through the morning hours today and into the afternoon. You can see very little chance of any precipitation anywhere close to us here at Wallops as we go through the evening hours. You can see that circulation associated with that low pressure system kind of moving inland later tonight around midnight into the wee hours of the morning on Tuesday. And then as we go throughout the day on Tuesday, those showers associated with that area of low pressure make their way inland and move towards the deep south. Here across the mid-Atlantic, again, dry conditions for Tuesday and on into Wednesday. Really no threat for precipitation, but what we will see is some very hot, humid conditions for us for the next several days as we go into the end of the week. Looks like some pretty warm conditions with those highs potentially reaching 90 degrees by Wednesday. So looking at our next 24 hours, you can see partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies. We'll see a high of 85 today. Those winds remaining out of a southerly direction should keep us from really seeing those temperatures warm as much as what we'll see over the next couple of days as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday with those highs closer to 90 degrees. Overnight tonight, a mild evening for us, a low of 72 with a slight chance of some low cloudiness and fog, potentially seeing the cloud ceilings below 500 feet for a brief period overnight tonight, but those chances looking to be pretty slim, much like what we saw tonight, just probably seeing a few clouds at the low levels of the atmosphere and really not much in the way of unrestricted or restricted visibilities with that fog potential. Tuesday and Wednesday, partly cloudy skies for both days. We'll see hot temperatures as well with a high of 88 for us for Tuesday night, partly cloudy and mild conditions with a low of 75. And for Wednesday, we'll see mostly sunny, hot and humid conditions with a high of 90 degrees. Well, that'll wrap it up for today's daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.